Hey everyone, welcome back to Who Am I? AI Uncovered. Have you ever spent days making an AI cartoon only to watch your heroes' colors drift, their hat jump positions, or the background shrubs completely change shape between shots? Viewers notice retention plummets, and the YouTube algorithm quietly buries your upload. I felt that pain, so today I'm handing you my full battle-tested workflow for pumping out consistent 3D AI animations that already bring in thousands of dollars each month. The magic duo is ChatGPT Plus Kling, no fancy plugins, no paid render farms, just two tools anyone can learn in a weekend. And here's the final result, one fully finished 3D animated video with every character perfectly on model. This workflow isn't just for 3D cartoons. You can copy-paste it for motion graphic vlogs, narrated slideshows, or any project that demands visual consistency. Watch each step so you can build it yourself, and if anything's unclear, drop a comment and I'll jump in to help. With only ChatGPT and Kling, you're set to tackle any format. Before we dive in, a quick heads up, I've partnered with a certified reseller so you can grab ChatGPT Plus or Pro at 50% off in a Kling bundle that drops 43,000 extra credits into your account for roughly the same cash you'd pay on the website. Links, coupon codes, and step-by-step sign-up instructions live in the description and the pinned comment. That support keeps the channel free and these deep dives coming, so check them out after the video. Advertisement over, let's build your animated empire. We'll march through 3 clear phases. Phase 1, pre-production, turns blank ideas into a locked script, a multi-angle character library, and a perfectly linked prompt list. Phase 2, image processing, upgrades every frame to true 4K 16:9 glory and archives everything safely. Phase 3, assembly and monetization, drops those frames into Kling ads. Professional audio nails your SEO and flips the revenue switch. Follow me step by step and you will release a 3D cartoon where every character stays on model in every single scene. Let's roll into Phase 1, pre-production. Step 1, concept and script. Mission lock, a bankable 2-minute story. Primary tool, ChatGPT. Open a fresh chat type. Give me 10 viral 3D AI cartoon ideas for YouTube kids. Pick the idea that excites you. Next demand, expand this into a screenplay. 3 scenes, total length 120 seconds. Preschool vocabulary, gentle slapstick. ChatGPT hands you a full outline with dialogue cues, environment notes, and a named character roster. Immediately follow with create a 5-episode roadmap that logically builds on this pilot plot. Instantly, you own a multi-episode blueprint. Pro tip, ask for a shot-by-shot storyboard table camera angle, emotion, beat, on-screen text so later steps almost write themselves. Expected output, 1 text file containing the script, the character list, the storyboard, and the 5-episode roadmap. Step 2, character model sheets, mission design every hero, sidekick, and prop. Once, then reuse forever. Tool ChatGPT Vision. For each character, craft a 300-word prompt specifying exact text, colors, hairstyle, accessories, personality, vibe, and pose. Add the line, 800 by 800 pixels, transparent background, front view. Generate until the look is perfect. When you're happy, paste the finished PNG back into the chat and say re-render the identical character at a 45-degree angle. Same resolution, same details. Repeat for 90 degrees, 135, 182, 25, 273, 15, and 360. Save each file with surgical precision, radish_0, radish_45, and so on. Repeat for every other character, even minor ones. Pro tip, store hex codes and signature props in a tiny README for quick reference later. Expected output, a characters folder packed with transparent PNGs covering 8 angles for everyone in your cast. Step 3, prompt list construction. Mission, convert the screenplay into exactly 20 prompts because the film will last 120 seconds, and each still will sit on screen for 6 seconds. Scene 1 takes 42 seconds, so 7 prompts. Scene 2 lasts 18 seconds, so 3 prompts. Scene 3 runs a full minute, so 10 prompts. Now hand ChatGPT this role prompt. You are my prompt writing specialist. Rule 1, always reference the exact character file names to keep each hero on model. Rule 2, output images at true 4K 16:9 resolution, specifically 3840 by 2160 pixels. Rule 3. Backgrounds inside one scene must remain logically connected and recurring locations must keep landmark continuity. If scene 1 features a sunflower patch, that patch must appear every time the story revisits that spot, even in non-adjacent scenes such as scene 5. Return prompts of 200 words each and label them scene_x-y. ChatGPT spits out 20 richly detailed prompts, save them as promptlist.txt. Expected output 1 file containing 20 prompt paragraphs mapped precisely to runtime. Step 4. Prompt to image rendering. Mission: turn the prompt list into a chain of scene-linked on-model frames. Primary tool, ChatGPT Vision. First paste this role and requirement block so the model never forgets. You are the image generation specialist for my new episode. Requirement 1. Memorize all characters and their model sheets. Keep each one 100% on model throughout episode 3. Requirement 2. Every image must be 16 by 9 at true 4K resolution 3840 by 2160 pixels. Requirement 3. This series contains multiple scenes. Backgrounds inside a single scene must stay logically connected, and any recurring location must keep landmark continuity. For example, if scene 1 shows a sunflower patch, that patch must appear whenever we return to that location, even in scene 5. Review earlier backgrounds before generating new ones. When ChatGPT acknowledges apply, pro tip 2, upload each character's PNG model sheet and declare for instance. This is Radish. Memorize this design. Whenever any prompt mentions Radish, reuse this exact appearance throughout the episode and the entire series. Repeat for every character. Finally, paste 5 or 10 prompts at a time from promptlist.txt. The model returns a run of images whose characters and backgrounds flow beautifully from scene 1.1 through scene 3.10. Save them into a raw folder, keeping the scene XY file names. Expected output 20 PNGs at 1536 by 1024 pixels, perfectly consistent and ready for upscaling. Phase 2, image processing. Step 5, 4K upscaling. Mission: convert every raw PNG to crystal clear 4K while preserving transparency. Tool: ChatGPT Vision. Upload up to 10 images at a time and type. Upscale each image to exactly 3840 by 2160 pixels using high-quality Lanczos resampling. Provide direct download links only. Download each batch and drop them in a new folder named 4K Final. Pro tip: run a batch rename macro that appends _4K to every file name so Kling automatically selects the highest resolution. Expected output 24K PNGs, aspect ratio lock, no black bars ever. Step 6. Archiving and backup. Mission: avoid chaos and data loss. Tool your File Explorer plus Cloud. Mirror this structure episode_01, then subfolders, characters, prompt list, raw, and 4K final. Drag the entire episode folder into cloud storage the moment Step 5 finishes. Losing 40 hours of rendering to a hard drive crash is soul-crushing. Expected output: a tidy backed up asset tree ready for lifelong reuse. Phase 2 recap. You now own 24K frames that fill the YouTube window edge to edge, every file archived in a disaster-proof hierarchy. Phase 3, assembly and monetization. Step 7, timeline construction in Kling. Mission: stitch frames into motion. Tool: Kling. Sign in with the 43,000 credit bundle you snagged from the description. Create a 16 by 9 project and drag all 20 PNGs into the timeline in numerical order. Kling defaults to 5-second duration, so batch set each clip to 6 seconds. Add a half-second crossfade for buttery transitions. Pro tip: enable snap to clip links so accidental drags never break timing. A 120-second 4K export consumes roughly 1,400 credits, meaning your bundle funds about 30 full episodes. Expected output: a silent 4K MP4. Step 8, voiceover and music. Mission: layer narration and an original soundtrack. Tools: 11 Labs for voice Ava or SoundRaw for music. Paste the screenplay into 11 Labs, pick a cheerful, kid-safe voice, set expressiveness to friendly, and export an MP3. For music, ask ChatGPT, write an 80-word rhyme at 100 beats per minute, mark downbeats with vertical bars. Feed that text into Ava, choose the Kids Pop template and download the WAV. Drop both audio files into Kling, align the music 2/3 of a second before the voice to let the beat grab attention, and lower the music track to -6 decibels so dialogue sits comfortably on top. Export the final mix. Kling automatically targets -14 LUFS, which YouTube loves. Expected output: a fully mixed 4K video ready to upload. Step 9. Metadata and launch. Mission: maximize clicks and watch time. Tool ChatGPT. Paste the final script and command. Generate a 60-character title that blends 3 high-volume keywords, a 320-character description, repeating those keywords 3 times, and a 500-character comma-separated tag block with no duplicates. Then feed your front view hero PNG into ChatGPT Vision, and request a bright high-contrast thumbnail that covers 80% of the frame and stamps the word new in bold yellow. Upload everything into YouTube Studio, scheduled for Friday at 5 p.m. local time. That slot tends to spike kid-friendly views. Expected output: a live video with optimized title, description, tags, and thumbnail that the algorithm will happily recommend. Phase 3 recap: the video is public in 4K, professionally voiced, SEO primed, and every scene stays visually coherent because our model sheets are gospel. Your monetization switch is on, and AdSense Plus potential brand deals can now flow. Grand summary: 9 concrete steps, 3 logical phases, concept and roadmap, one-time character library, 20 rock-solid prompts, batch rendering with strict background continuity, 4K upscaling, ironclad archiving, timeline construction, pro-level audio algorithm-friendly metadata. And you did it all with just ChatGPT, and Kling made affordable by the 50% off ChatGPT Plus Pro link and the 43,000 credit Kling bundle right below this video. If this breakdown helped, smash that like button, hit subscribe, ring the bell, and tell me in the comments which segment you want demonstrated live: advanced prompt structuring, Kling timeline tricks, or CapCut motion graphics. I read every suggestion and deliver tutorials you actually request. Thanks for spending these 10 minutes with Who Am I? AI Uncovered. Happy creating and even happier earning.